JYX-1000CGS glass washing machine. The machine is for washing glass before tempering, after edging and before screen printing. Has an aluminum alloy assembled structure with permanent service life. Other parts are coated with top-grade powder. All transmitting rubber rollers of the machine are vulcanized rubber with SS304 shaft. Washing section and other parts contacted with water are made of stainless steel 304 material and equipped with photo eye sensing. The machine has 4 pairs of brushes, 90mm with SS304 shaft. Has air knife and air heating system, which has large wind and good drying effect. Movable side-mounted water tanks of the machine facilitate cleaning, water changing. Soundproofing foam inside the airbox. Is controlled by PLC, convenient for connection with other machines in the line. Real-time testing. We specialized in glass washing machines for 20 years and yearly production, 1,000 sets, export over 100 countries. For the washing machine you need, if you have more needs or questions, we are very welcome to contact us. It is our honor to solve your problems. Thank you for considering, hoping for a mutually beneficial partnership.